You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Nollywood actress Mercy Aigbe has called out to her followers on Instagram on who she should date. Between two talented actors, Adedimeji Lateef and Olatayo Amokade, aka Ijebu. According to the mother of two, she needs help in choosing who to date between the two. Both Lateef, Adedimeji and Ijebu were on their knees in the photo, obviously asking her out. Oladapo Daniel Oyebanjo, the Nigerian singer known as D'banj, celebrates his mother, Florence Oyebanjo, who turned 67 on July 22. D'banj posted beautiful pictures of her to mark her special day and thanked her previously for being nothing but the best to him. He also appreciated her for having brought him up very well and for showing him the true virtues of life.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.